Hey there! Have you ever spilled coffee on your clothes and thought it was the end of the world? Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. In this video, we're going to show you how to efficiently remove coffee spills from clothes. First things first, don't panic and don't let the stain sit for too long. The longer it sits, the harder it will be to remove. So, grab a paper towel and blot the stain as much as you can to remove any excess coffee. Next, run cold water over the stain for a few minutes. Hot water will set the stain in, so make sure it's cold. This will help to remove any remaining coffee and loosen up the fibers in the fabric. Now, apply some laundry detergent to the stain and let it sit for a few minutes. This will help to break down the coffee stain and make it easier to remove. Using a toothbrush or a clean cloth, gently scrub the stain in a circular motion. Be careful not to be too rough, or you might damage the fabric. Keep scrubbing until the stain fades away. Finally, rinse the shirt thoroughly in cold water to remove any remaining detergent or coffee residue. Then, simply toss it in the wash as you normally would. And there you have it, a clean and coffee-free shirt. Remember, the key is to act fast and not let the stain set in. With these tips, you'll be able to remove coffee spills from clothes efficiently and with ease. Thanks for watching and happy sipping.